what's beyond evolution.
Feast your eyes on this! Whatever your reason for dueling me, you better not waste my time by holding back.
In a duel, words mean nothing. It's your actions that count. Duel! It's my turn. I set a card. I set a card. I activate Double D Swirl Slime's effect. Combined together into a noble hero that even dragons fear. I Fusion Summon. Be born, Triple D Dragon Bane King Beowulf! I end my turn.
My turn. I draw. The souls of my dragons guide a new one to me. Come on out, Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon!
I play this. I flip over my set card. I activate my continuous trap.
Join me. I summon a monster. I activate my monster's effect. From my hand, I activate a spell.
I won't let you do that. Here's the card I set. I activate my trap.
I activate my monster's effect. Emerge, Dragon Spirit of White! I end my turn. Make your move.
I haven't shown my full strength yet. Not even close. It's my turn. I draw. Ready to battle? Beowulf, pierce through your foe.
Dragon Spirit of White's effect activates. The light from my dragon erases the shadows. Let's go, Blue Eyes!
I end my turn. Go ahead and rebuild your strategy. I'll just tear it down.
Here I go. My turn. I draw. I activate my monster's effect. The souls of my dragons guide a new one to me. Come on out, Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon! Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon can destroy your monster! Come on out! I summon a monster! Here it comes! Synchro Summon! I activate my monster's effect!
What mistakes did I make?
I'm done with you. Leave.